Hello everyone, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel. Today, guess what? I'm going to be reviewing a skincare tool and product, and I am so excited about this. This is a brand called Maysama, which I have reviewed before here on my channel, and I love their products and tools, and I cannot wait to dive into these two babies and show you guys how they work. This one here, it is a Gacha LED machine, which your girl has been obsessed with this. You guys can't imagine how fast and easy this helps your skin, and it's a perfect size for these babes who's always on the go. So I can't wait to dive in and show you guys the new products that they sent me. Before I go ahead and jump into this review, if you are new here to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and taking your time to watch my video. And if you guys haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I would love to have you guys a part of the light family that I have here on my channel. So if you guys want healthier, relaxed, rejuvenated skin, please keep on watching. Alright, let's go ahead and dive into this Gacha stone. I am so excited about this, to be honest with you guys. I'm obsessed with this one. I've tried it before because your girl was too excited, and I have to say this is amazing. But the only thing I didn't try it is the full 4 settings, because they have 4 modes to this. You have mode 1, mode 2, 3, and 4. And each mode kind of does something different. So I haven't tried mode 3 and 4, which includes the heat and the vibration and all of that. So I'm quite excited about that, to be honest. As you guys can see, my skin is breaking out a little bit here and here, but my skin, last week actually I did a whole skincare and I did a whole bunch of like masks and treatments and everything. So my skin is pretty well prepped for this review. The only thing right now is that I feel my skin is very dry. So I'm just gonna go ahead and moisturize. I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. This stuff is amazing. I can't tell you how much I love this cream and how much this cream actually helped my dry skin during the cold weather. So this one here is definitely a cream that I would recommend. I definitely use this cream day and night all the time, even though they do have a night cream, which I do use, but this cream here is always the one for me. It is absolutely one of my favorite moisturizing creams ever. I take whatever I have left and I just use it on my hands. Never waste a drop of this. If you guys are not aware of Maysama, I've already reviewed their products here on my channel, and I have to say that this one is actually done, but their serum pressé, this is the green Rooibos serum, was my favorite. I also took it with me when I went on vacation back in August, and I finished it, and I want more of this. Oh, that's all I can get from it now. I'm going to use that on my face because this stuff honestly was amazing. I loved using their serum before my makeup. It did such a beautiful makeup prep. But yeah, so if you guys want to get your hands on this, I will leave it in the description box down below and you can go ahead and check it out. But honestly, it's such a good serum. I love it so much. They were super nice enough to send me a Gacha, which is really cool. I love Gacha. I actually do have the Gacha stone. I think it's the rose quartz stone in my skincare fridge in the bathroom, that I keep it in there to keep it nice and cold. But this one here, it is with an LED facial massager. Heaven. Okay, I've tried this before and I loved it, and I loved how it just made my skin feel. And they also sent me their facial oil. This is the Bioferm facial oil, which I'm really excited to talk to you guys about this because I've tried it and I absolutely love it, and I love how radiant it made my skin feel and look. Let's go ahead and prep the skin with their serum first. If you guys are wondering what does this do? So this one here, it is mode of action, providing superior moisturization, whilst reducing inflammation and minimizing irritation, nourishing the deep skin layers and straightening the skin barrier, which is amazing. And this is exactly what you need to do before using the gua sha. And it also says here directions for use: warm 2 drops of the oil in clean palms and massage using a gentle circular movement across a cleansed face, neck and décolleté. So if you're gonna use it all the way down here, then it's good to apply that there, and you can use your gua sha there too, which is really cool. But I'm only gonna do my face and neck today. If you guys are wondering about the gua sha stone and how it works, I will leave the link down below and you can go ahead and check it out. As you guys could see, there's a lot, and for me to read all of that is gonna take forever. So just to make it easier for you guys, I will leave the link of it in the description box down below, and you can get all the information needed from the link and where you can actually purchase the stone as well. I do apologize if I'm talking a little bit weird. I do have whitening strips in my mouth. And just to let you guys know, this is designed in the UK but made in China. So let's go ahead and use it. I am so excited. So when you open it up, it comes in here. You also have the instructions, which is always very important to read, especially when it comes to any skincare tools, products, whatever it is. Make sure that you read it in case you are allergic to something, in case that something important that you need to know. It's very important that you guys could go ahead and read the manual just for you to be on a safe side. Now, I'm very aware with the gua sha, and I know how it works, and I know the lid, the red light, and all of that. Basically, I'm just gonna go ahead and read it quickly. So the red light, the vibration, the heat, and all of that. Basically what it does is this innovation beauty tool helps to relieve facial intention, smooth out facials, release toxins, improve blood flow and lymphatic draining, and remain healthy glowing skin. And if you guys don't know about gua sha in general, gua sha helps to drain out all of that inflammation. And then the red light kind of helps with the tightening and the pores and all of that goodness that we all need. This is the box, and obviously comes with a charger, a USB charger, and this is the little machine. It is small, it is perfect for traveling. Also, if you are road tripping and you want something that you can treat yourself on the road, this is perfect because it's small. Make sure that it's charged beforehand, and you can also still charge it in the car, which is really cool. This is how it looks like. It comes with a lid that you can remove. You have a little screen and 2 buttons. So one of them is the power and the other one is the M, which is the mode. So 1 click is mode 1, 2 click mode 2, 3 mode 3, 4 mode 4. You know how it works. So I'm just gonna take it. First of all, the smell of this, it reminds me a lot of sesame seed oil. I don't know why, but that just comes in my head. Mixed with olive oil and stuff like that. I don't know, but it really smells natural, which I really like. Basically here what it says infused with our signature Aspalathin-enriched green Rooibos extract with potent antioxidant properties and Fortified. Girl, that's a lot of stuff in here. So basically there is blood seed oil and oil blend superior moisturizers. There's a whole bunch of oil. It also has the green Rooibos extract in there. It also has blood seed oil, which I'm not aware of that, but apparently it's good for you. And yeah, it has other oil blends in here too to help moisturize and all of that. So let's go ahead and try it out. I really do like the packaging. Over here it's kind of like a wood kind of feel, which is really cool. And yeah, it has a little dropper, and you also have a stopper, so like that oil doesn't really get everywhere. And it says to use 2 drops. 1, 2 drops. Massage it between your hands to warm it up, and then apply it on the skin. I feel like I need another drop, to be honest, but I'm just gonna go ahead with 2 drops and go with what they recommend. So that is that. Then let's go ahead and try this baby on. So we're gonna turn it on. So it vibrates right away, and you have the red light right away. I don't know if you guys could see the red light, but there's the red light. And we'll go ahead and try mode 1. And I always drag it outwards and upwards, and then I bring it into the hairline. Honestly, the gua sha, it is super easy to use. If you guys are familiar with the gua sha stone normally, then you know exactly how this will work, because it's exactly the same thing, except this one has heat, vibration, and the LED light in it. But overall, it is the same way that you use a normal gua sha stone. And this is extremely relaxing, I have to say that. I'm obsessed with this, and it's actually super easy to work with when it comes to the forehead as well. And then when it comes down the jawline and the neck, I just kind of bring it all down and drain it all away. Now, don't go too strong or too rough with this, because it might be a little bit irritating. So go gentle. You don't need to go extremely rough on your skin. And I'm gonna show you guys mode 2. So mode 2, it has a flashing lights. The vibration remains the same. The heat is not there though. So mode 2 is just basically with the flashing lights. And right away, I definitely feel my face is nicely drained. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try mode 3. Mode 3 is basically like mode 1, except mode 3 has the heat in it. So we're gonna see if the stone right here is going to heat up. I don't feel the heat, but it will slowly come through. It has the red plus NIR plus heat plus a vibration. Oh, I feel a little bit of heat going on, which I really like, honestly. I love when a facial skincare tool heats up. For some reason, I find it more relaxing on the skin, to be honest. And now we're gonna try, last but not least, mode 4. So you have the flashing light. The heat is a bit stronger. I feel it a little bit more now. And you still have the vibration, and you have everything else. And now I can go ahead and turn it off. Honestly, I feel really relaxed. This didn't really take me much time to do my face and my neck. This is something that is quite fast and easy, especially if you're on the go and you're rushing. Go ahead and drain all of that lymphatic from your skin, get prepped and leave, and that's all you need. Honestly, like, I feel so relaxed right now. I absolutely love this one, and I love the fact that it is more on the technology side of it rather than just the stone itself. I do feel that my face is drained out, and I'm just ready to go ahead and get ready and go on with my day. I absolutely love this machine so much, and I have to say, this oil is extremely moisturizing, and definitely 2 drops is more than enough. You don't have to go crazy. Go as they recommend, and it is just perfect. So this is how my face feels like, and also my skin feels very moisturized, which is exactly what I need. I will leave all the information in the description box down below, and where you can purchase Maysama's amazing products and tools. I absolutely love Maysama. They're one of my favorite go-to skincare website. They also have a lot of amazing skincare tools for you guys that you can go ahead and check out. They have a whole bunch of stuff and I absolutely love them. They also have this big facial light that just lights up and you sit in front of, and it just shoots a lot of lights which are very, very good for your skin. It helps with so many amazing things that I am dying to try. Check out their tools, you're definitely going to love them. I have already reviewed Maysama here on my channel, so if you guys missed that video, I will leave it in the description box down below for you guys. You can go ahead and check out the first video that I filmed for Maysama. Thank you so much for contacting me again and sending me some of your amazing tools and products. I am totally obsessed with them. They are my go-to skincare brand, like I told you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed my review. If you guys want healthy looking relaxed skin, check out Maysama and trust me, you won't regret it. I will leave the link to where you can shop Maysama and all the information needed in the description box down below. Also, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, just leave them all in the comments down below and I'll try my best to answer each and one of you guys. Thank you all so much for watching and I'll talk to you later. Bye!